Zahranaab worked late in the royal workshop, perfecting the final magical gown for Queen Ghoul. The moonlight fell gently through the crystal windows, shimmering across the fabrics. Just as she stitched the final piece, a cold breeze swept through the room. The candles flickered. A golden thread, glowing like fireflies, slipped under the door and floated before her eyes. Zahranaab whispered, "What magic is this?" When she touched it, everything froze for a moment. The sewing needles lifted into the air. The fabrics fluttered like wings. And then she heard it, a soft, trembling voice. "Help me." She followed the glowing thread through a secret doorway she had never seen before. It led her deep beneath the palace, into a forgotten chamber. There stood a small fairy girl, trapped inside a shimmering cocoon of light. Tears rolled down her cheeks as she looked at Zahranaab. "I was the queen's designer before you, but a jealous sorceress stole my magic." Zahranaab's heart ached. She took the glowing thread and stitched a single heart-shaped design into the cocoon. The cocoon burst open, and the little fairy was free. But then came the shock. The sorceress appeared behind them, furious, her eyes burning with rage. "No one breaks my spell." The ground trembled. Zahranaab stepped in front of the little girl, her wings glowing with pure courage. She lifted the golden thread and said softly, "Good magic grows when shared, not stolen." The thread wrapped around the sorceress, and instead of harming her, it healed her bitterness, dissolving the darkness inside her. The sorceress fell to her knees, whispering, "Thank you. I have forgotten what kindness feels like." By sunrise, Zahranaab returned to the queen, not only with the final magical gown, but with the rescue designer and a changed sorceress. Queen Ghoul smiled warmly. The true magic of a designer's heart is compassion. And so, the kingdom celebrated the day kindness healed more than magic ever could.